Today, we're making Marshmallow-Cocoa cake from Baking Gold by Jami. She's the author of Candy is Magic, which won an IACP award, and focuses on making candy using real ingredients at home. Baking Gold is one of our favorites we've used this year because it has detailed instructions and insights on how to level up your baking regardless of your experience. The premise of this cookbook is building upon base recipes. The Marshmallow-Cocoa cake is made using the chocolate sour cream cake, cocoa fudge sauce, and marshmallow glaze recipes. First up is the chocolate sour cream cake. For the batter, we start by combining the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl and mix well. In a separate bowl, combine the eggs and sour cream and mix until smooth. Next, add the canola oil and vanilla extract until fully incorporated. Now we add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until it's a thick batter. The next step is to add 1 cup of boiling coffee to the batter in thirds. We used instant coffee in this case because we had it around for other recipes. Take care to not splash yourself with the boiling coffee while stirring, as it will jump up the bowl. Once fully mixed, pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 35 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean or barely smudged with chocolate. Let it cool in the pan on a wire rack. Once the cake is completely cooled, start on the cocoa fudge sauce. Add the heavy cream, butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and salt to a medium sauce pot. Over medium heat while stirring continuously, bring to a simmer and let simmer for 2 minutes. Pay close attention to this as it has heavy cream, so it will try to climb up the pot as it simmers. Then remove from heat and add in the cocoa powder and whisk until smooth. Add in the vanilla and combine completely. Transfer out of the pot and let cool until it's thick yet pourable. For us, this took about an hour. Pour the glaze over the cake and let set for at least 20 minutes. We let it set for just over an hour. Finally, make the marshmallow glaze by melting mini marshmallows, half and half, butter, and vanilla in a bowl set over a pot of simmering water or using a double boiler. Stir until smooth and then let sit for approximately 10 minutes. Just before pouring over the cake, add the remaining mini marshmallows to the glaze. Because of the marshmallow topping, cutting this cake can be a challenge. The author suggests remedying this by using a hot, dry knife. We also found that by refrigerating overnight, combined with the author's suggestion, resulted in a very clean cut. Chocolate cake is one of, if not the most common recipes in cookbooks, and this is definitely one of our favorites. It's one of the easiest and most consistent chocolate cake recipes that we've ever made. The cake itself is a perfect balance of richness and flavor. The cocoa fudge sauce is a reprieve from a world full of buttercream, and the marshmallow glaze tops it off with added texture and hints of vanilla. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.